Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can get the XDC on Trezor. So here is the step number 1. First is to use Mu or My Ether wallet plus the Trezor. So here is what you'll need. First is a Trezor model T or 1, and also your My Ether account or the Mu, and then your Trezor connected via USB. So this is what their official website looks like. And then for step number 2 is to go to My Ether wallet. So here, just go here, visit their official website. You can type in myetherwallet.com. And then from here, you have to tap on Access My Wallet first. And once you tap on that, you will be redirected here. And then you just have to click on Hardware Wallets, and then tap on Trezor. After that, you will have to follow the prompts to connect your Trezor and then unlock it. And the next step is, here are the importance. So you have to change the network in Mu to XinFin or XDC network. So if you don't see it, you can go to Network Selector or Custom Node, and then you can add these RPC details. So first is the network name, which is the XinFin mainnet. And then for the new RPC URL, you have just have to copy this one. And then for the chain ID, it is 50. And for the symbol, it is XDC, and the block explorer is this one. You can just copy this one. You can screenshot it and copy it. And now, once you're connected, your Trezor keys will sign transactions, but keep your funds live on the XDC network. So you can now view your balance and send or receive to XDC. And just a tip, Mu doesn't store your private keys, so the Trezor device will secure them. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!